Hello. I'm doing a review for Spalife Electronic Ionic Face and Neck Beauty Tool. This is the box. This is the product. This is the silver plate that goes on your face and neck. This is the button. Positive, negative, nothing to it. It is easiest for me to read you the review that I wrote. First off, I have to say that I got it on August 27th, so I got it for 10 days, so I can't say I've noticed amazing results. I think it's a longer process over time. This tool is used to help maximize your cleansers, your anti-wrinkle creams, and your serums. It's really easy to use, as you've seen. You apply your cleanser, and then you put the plus sign on, and it uses positive ions to clean your face. It helps the cleanser to, let me just redo this whole thing right here. Okay, there is a plus and a minus sign, clearly. You apply your cleanser. When you have it on the plus sign, it uses positive ions with your cleanser to help bring built up dirt to the surface to clean your face and neck better. So what it's doing is working with the cleanser, and it's a vibration is what it is, and that it's between those two, it's bringing out the dirt, and then after that just wipe this off so there's no residue, and then you will apply like your serum or cream or your next step after your cleanser, and you will do the negative, turn on the negative sign, and that help penetrates at a deeper level, helping skin reduce the signs of aging. After you are done using the tool, again, be sure to wipe off the silver plate. It's not very loud. That is the plus. That is the minus. And you just, I don't have cleanser on, but you don't press hard, just enough that you feel it. You can feel it. And but you do it when you have your cleanser on, and you do it when you have your cream on. So before, after. I may have to do an update further down the road when I have used it for longer than 10 days. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe.